How to add timestamps on your YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add timestamps on your video. So first of all, go to your YouTube studio. You can go there by simply going to the link studio.youtube.com. And now once you're on YouTube Studio, go to content from the left side of the screen. After that, choose the video which you want to add timestamps to, and then simply click on the pencil icon. Now, in order to add timestamps, you'll simply have to enter it on the description. So there must be at least 3 timestamps on your video or chapters. So the first one must be 0 minute and 0 second, where you'll have to name the first chapter. For now, I'll simply enter intro. Now enter the time when you want the first chapter to end and the second chapter to begin. So let us set it to 0 minute and 10 seconds, where we'll name the chapter fix. So now let's end our second chapter in about 55 seconds, and then let's name the third chapter solution. Now let's end our third chapter and start our final chapter in about 1 minute and 45 seconds. Simply enter 1 colon and 45. Now let's name our chapter outro, and now let's click on save. Now let's view the video, and just like that, you have created various timestamps on your YouTube video. So now intro will start from 0 all the way up to 10, and from 10 seconds fix will start, and the same for solution as well as the outro. So that is basically how you add timestamps on your YouTube video. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.